Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Earthquake. Welcome back to my channel. Obviously, you know, every YouTuber says that. I was gonna say, hey bitches, but feminism, all that shit. Let's get into the video. So this video is my review on the Royale palette by Jolie Beauty. In my couple of previous posts or videos I said that they didn't send the thank you gift and all this lot. If you haven't watched those videos, go watch it. No! No! Anyway, I'll stop blabbering, but if you want to see me create this look, keep watching. Been at college. This is looking mental at the minute. Loving the glow in my viewfinder. Don't know how it looks in real life, but oh well. So today's video we are going to be looking and trying out the Jolie Beauty Royale palette. So before we get started, I'm just gonna like quickly touch up my face because I'm looking a bit messy, and then we'll get straight into it. So yeah, the foundation that I'm using today, well I've got on, is the Revolution Fast Base Stick in the shade F2, so I've already got that on. I could retouch that, but I don't think I need to.
You're ugly, you're disgusting, I'm gonna kill you. So
just prepping the eyes with my usual NYX concealer. I think I'm going to do a halo eye today, and I'm so excited to be using this palette. I am a lady! Okay guys, so this is the Jolie Beauty Royale palette. Oh my god. So in my last Jolie Beauty video, I did say that they didn't send a free gift, which I was so bummed about because I did actually ask them for this particular palette.
You cheeky bastard.
I got a surprise after posting that video, and it came, and I was jumping for joy. I've just been dying for this palette, and literally I am going to do like swatches on my arm because I've got tattoos and I don't really believe in swatches, but like literally if I just take a couple of these colours, let's say this red was calling me, this colour, don't know what it is, this black, oh my god, and then we'll go for this peach, is my favourite colour as well. Like look at that, is that picking up? Oh my god, like amazing. So yeah, as I said, I think I am gonna go for a halo eye, and yeah, I'm just gonna set my lids with, don't have any shade names, but with this like colour here, and it's got a mirror. So I've been after, like, I love Jolie Beauty. It's vegan brand, it's quite cheap but not too cheap. This palette I think was 20 something, let me check. So it's $23.99. That is a pretty good price point. So I am going to do a halo eye. I'll take you in a little bit closer. I might actually redo my makeup, I'm not sure, like after I've done my eye, but for now we're just going to have to deal with what we've got, guys. So I think I'm going to be taking these two colours, working with these two mainly at the moment, and then I might for the centre do the gold. So yeah, these two colours at the moment. So I'm going to be taking this colour first. Just picked up quite a bit on the brush. Tap it off a little bit. And here we go. Ooh, yes. That's what we like to see. Does it blend? Will be the test. Bit there, bit there. Ooh. Good saturation. And then just taking what's left on the brush, if anything, just gonna sweep it back and forth. Seems to be blending really nicely. Hopefully you guys can see that. I just hate being hooded eyed because like, where's my eye? Next up with the same brush, I'm going to be taking the reddish colour. Whoa. And then just putting that right on top. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. And then again, just connecting it a little bit. And then I'm gonna like bring it up a teeny bit like this. Just so that when I do go like that, it doesn't get lost. Now I'm gonna do the same on this side and then come back to blending this one. So as I'm doing this eye, guys, I'm not even noticing much fallout. Like, let me just show you. So this is where I've done it, obviously, thinking, so it like, say, when I go like, let's see if I can zoom you in. Like when I press it, like there's literally hardly any, well, there's no fallout, like literally the tiniest bit, and they're so pigmented. Like, so I know like people go on about obviously fallout, like it's a major issue, especially when it's like falling into your other shadows and stuff, but this one is like not doing that at all. So I'm just going to get a clean brush and just blend the two together until I've got like a nice soft. I'm actually going to be taking this shade right here and I'm just going to bring that to blend, help blend the two together. Just so there's no harshness up top here. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Just up the sides here as well. Like that makes such a difference. I'm sorry if you can see any like of my spots as well, guys. I'm currently on the Proactive program, so I'm trying to clear out my skin. And I know full coverage foundation, but there's only so much I can cover without it looking cakey. So yeah. Just taking a small blending brush, I'm just going to be taking a mixture. I'm just going to take this shade right here and I'm going to be mixing it with the purple shade. And with this, I'm just going to run it underneath this. Oh wow. So just there, and then the tiniest bit here as well, just so like there's a halo under here as well a little bit. And then with another fluffy brush, I'm taking the same like creamy shade and I'm just going to run that underneath here just to blend it out and not have any harshness. Okay, so now usually what people do is clean this bit up, but I'm not going to bother. I'm going to be taking this gold shade and I'm just going to take it with my finger because I feel as though like shadows like this apply better with a finger. And then, oh my god, yes, honey.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then with just like another brush, I'm going to take this purple shade again and I'm just going to put this one at the sides. Just so it all melts in together. And then for the bottom, I'm going to be taking...
He's just a boy, but he's a bottom.
A little flat brush. I'm going to be taking this peach colour here. Good choice, Adam, good choice. Okay, now I'm going to do the other eye. Okay guys, so I'm going to put a little bit of foundation on, a little bit more concealer, and a little bit of highlight and stuff and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and there you have it. I'm finished. I retouched my face. By the way, if you're like a little bit matte and you want to shine like a bastard, Iconic London Spray. My Jesus. So I'll just run you through what I've used. So for the lips, I've used a Jolie lip topper. I don't know what shade it is. It's actually rosé lip topper. And then for my highlight, I used the Sleek Solist palette, and I used the pink shade. This is my review of the JolieBeauty Royal palette. Oh my god, I knew that I was gonna love this. As soon as I saw it online, I was like, I need to have it, please, please, please. And I'm so glad that they sent it to me. JolieBeauty, thank you so much for this. It's an amazing palette, just like you're on fleek. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to check out any more of the palettes, like this bad boy that I reviewed, it's on the website joliebeauty.com. I'll leave all the details below. For 20, what did I say it was, 23.99. It's got the pigments, it's got the shimmers, and I'm living for this eye look. I don't know if I've done my lashes properly because I've been a bit out of practice with lashes. I haven't worn lashes in so long. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment box, what you want to see next, and yeah, thank you. Love you.
Miss Vanjie. Miss Vanjie, Miss Vanjie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey bitches, welcome back to my channel. Hey girls, hey guys, welcome back.